Too Crazy AI brings you the curated important news from today's AI industry. OpenAI and AWS sign a record-breaking $38 billion partnership, breaking Microsoft's exclusive provider status. Meanwhile, AI compute demand drives memory prices up 172%, triggering global supply chain crisis. Let's dive into today's specific developments. Breaking news. OpenAI just announced a $38 billion 7-year strategic partnership with Amazon Web Services, marking the largest single transaction in AI infrastructure history. OpenAI will immediately begin running core workloads on AWS, gaining access to hundreds of thousands of state-of-the-art NVIDIA GPUs. This marks OpenAI's first major move to diversify away from its single dependence on Microsoft Azure. Notably, OpenAI still commits to purchasing $250 billion in Azure services from Microsoft, demonstrating a multi-cloud strategy. Markets reacted enthusiastically, with Amazon stock closing up 4% on Monday at a record high. All capacity will be deployed by the end of 2026. Alibaba's Qwen team delivers groundbreaking news. The Qwen 3 Max Thinking Early Preview has officially launched, achieving a historic breakthrough in mathematical reasoning capabilities. This model, with over 1 trillion parameters, achieved a perfect 100% score on AIME 25 and HMMT 25, notoriously challenging math competitions that stump even top mathematicians. The model employs advanced mixture of experts architecture combined with a built-in code interpreter, demonstrating unprecedented reasoning depth. Currently ranked third on the LM Arena Global Leaderboard, surpassing GPT-5 chat in multiple dimensions, this marks a major breakthrough in China's AI reasoning capabilities. If you're planning to upgrade your computer memory recently, prepare for harsh reality. The AI boom is triggering a global memory crisis. DRAM spot prices have surged 172% in 2025, with DDR5 16GB modules jumping from $7 to $8 last month to $13 and still climbing. More critically, Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron have completely suspended new orders before year-end. What's the root cause? AI data centers. High-bandwidth HBM memory consumes over 3 times the wafer capacity of standard DRAM, with cloud giants and AI companies locking up most production. Analysts predict prices will continue surging through 2026 Q1, with 30 to 50% increases each quarter. The AI infrastructure arms race reaches new heights. On November 3rd, Lambda announced a multi-billion-dollar, multi-year agreement with Microsoft to deploy tens of thousands of NVIDIA's most advanced GB300 NVL72 GPUs. Each NVL72 system contains 36 GB300 chips, representing the cutting edge of AI computing power. Notably, on the same day, Microsoft also disclosed a $9.7 billion deal with Australian data center company IREN, while OpenAI announced its $380 billion AWS partnership. This series of blockbuster deals clearly demonstrates the competition for AI infrastructure has entered white-hot territory. Developers, take note. Baidu Netdisk just released full support for the Model Context Protocol, marking an important expansion of the MCP ecosystem in the Chinese market. Baidu Netdisk's core APIs are now fully compatible with MCP protocol, allowing developers to quickly integrate cloud storage services with simple configuration. The system provides a complete feature set, from file upload and management to intelligent search and sharing, even supporting natural language semantic queries. As one of the first Chinese tech giants to embrace MCP alongside Alibaba, this signals MCP protocol is becoming crucial infrastructure for global AI workflow standardization. Here comes today's craziest question. OpenAI, Microsoft, and Lambda signed over $50 billion in AI infrastructure deals on the same day, while memory prices surged 172%, making ordinary developers and consumers pay the bill. Is this investment frenzy paving the way for AGI, or are tech giants inflating a dangerous bubble? What's your choice? See you in the comments. Too Crazy AI, more craziness tomorrow.